Hello folks, Sam Owens here, and I have a really nice product for the yard work that you may have to do, and especially for the ladies if they want something light and easy to carry around to pick up pine cones, limbs, and leaves and everything in the yard when you're trying to clean it up. This is the Flora Guard pop-up garden bag, 120 liter or 32 gallons. It's 17.7 inches in diameter and it's 29.5 inches high, and it's very lightweight, and it collapses so that when you no longer are in the leaf picking up business like in the fall, you can collapse it down just like this, and you may want 3 or 4 of these to handle your job, but it'll probably pay for them with the disposable leaf bags that you have to purchase. This would be a good investment. Plus, it looks very nice when you put them out curbside for the pickup people. So let's look how you get it apart. Very easy, and that's pretty much how you do it. And then to put it back, collapse it down, flip it over, and then you have this part, and then you have this part. So you put it this way, and you want the mating side like that. And we're going to take this in the yard and just show you how easy this will work. All right folks, this is the way I'm going to do it. This is very light, and I can just carry it around very easy, and I can just put stuff in here like that. Moss. See, I don't even have to bend over, and this was much better than a big garbage can. And I can go through the whole entire yard, and we just keep on going. I just want to show you a basic look at what we can do with this. Pine cones and any other objects that might be in there. Now sometimes you may have to break a limb. That's okay. All limbs aren't small. And even pine cones, I did have some pine cones, but stuff like that will stop the real tight mower. And there you go. And that is going to look nice out in front of the driveway. Okay, I want to thank you very much for watching my video.